Gifts from Piano Adventures Level 5 Performance. And this is a traditional shaker song, as said on the music. Very pretty, it's very smooth, gentle, moving. I'm just going to count the first line. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. Often when you're learning a song, if it doesn't sound right, like something sounds off, it's usually the beat. It's usually you're not counting right, or like your quarter notes and your eighth notes are off. I hear it all the time, and I always tell my students to count because it makes a huge difference. So if you're still listening to this video, be sure to count. And if you're a teacher, have your students count. I always do. I have them write it in the middle of the measure, usually around here. 1, 2, and 3, and then we clap, we use the metronome, everything, so that as songs get harder, counting is natural. That's the biggest thing, is the harder songs get, you don't want to spend time with rhythm. So good luck with the piece. Remember to subscribe and comment if you have any questions.